And we're off.
Saw a self.
Yeah. Look at this, man.
Wow, we are high.
Are you scared? Mate, you're scared.
Obviously.
You want to switch?
Switch what? Sides.
You got a nice view right there. Look, it's a killer view. Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, it's over there.
This is pretty cool.
I'm kneeling down out of fear.
Are you serious?
What?
Let's switch.
I'm alright, I just need to get a little comfortable. What are these holes for, brother?
I'll cover it up for you. Oh my goodness.
No, it's alright.
Boom. You feel more safer now?
You think they tie you in? You know, like give me some strap.
This is pretty cool.
Got a horse down there. Are the horses?
Yeah, the racetrack. What time is it?
Time now?
Yeah.
6:10.
10 past 6? It's not bad.
Sorry, just normally you have a camera getting the inflation and stuff. I wasn't sure if you had a camera out there somewhere.
So we've gone out on a little bit of a gust. It's taken us to the left of all the other balloons. So they're staying low and they can avoid the horses. So we've just gone high just to avoid the horse action, just so as we don't freak any of the horses out.
Oh, the horses. I think they'll be fine.